Good morning and welcome to this week's episode of Coffee and Cabinets. I am your host and kitchen and bath designer, Jordan Thomes. This morning I am drinking Utica Coffee's flavored blend, Apple Pie. On this week's episode, we're going to be talking a little bit about the design process in regards to picking out your finishes, materials, and everything like that. And then we will go a little bit more in depth about putting together your dream kitchen in our digital design program. Hi guys, I'm going to give you a quick little tour of my office today here in our brand new showroom. Here in my office, I have distance blue painted base cabinets with a Borghini Lustrato quartz on top. You can see it's a pure white with a lot of dark gray marble-esque veining throughout it. This is a quartz, so it is a man-made feature. Up here, I do have a custom-made geosphere pendant from local business, Mida Lighting. On the back here, I do have more of the Borghini Lustrato quartz, complemented by all sorts of different samples. I'm always rotating what I do feature back here, so it goes based on project. I have different doors throughout here all the time, lots of different stone samples, just depends on what I'm working on. Really quickly, I just want to take a second to go over a few of some of our most unique samples that I have here in the showroom. This sample here is our dark, rich maritime blue. Over here you get a little bit more of a touch of green with an abyss paint. And then here is the lightest of our teal blues, which is our seaside paint, which really helps to brighten up the space while giving you that pop of color. All three do play really well on both a dark stone option. This particular one here is a Babylon Gray, which is a quartz. And then you can see that they do also pair really well with a stone on the lighter side. Once you've stopped down into our showroom, you've taken a look at our samples, and you've picked out your materials and finishes for your kitchen, I will be able to sit down and use my digital design program to put together your layout to give you your dream kitchen. Why don't we take a second here to do a little viewing of a real-time kitchen design using this navy blue maritime paint for base cabinets and a white paint for the wall cabinets using a statuary classique quartz. First here, I always prefer to start with the base cabinets, that way we can get the overall structure put together. So we'll start here with some basics like your sink base, your Lazy Susan, which is a very popular choice, very handy and comes in a lot of different sizes and styles, so we have something to fit everyone's kitchen. This particular design here is, of course, as I mentioned, a two-tone kitchen. So something that I like to always keep in mind with a two-tone kitchen is how it will look when you have transitional tall pieces. My personal recommendation is to always match your tall cabinetry, whether it be a refrigerator panel or whether it be a pantry. I always like to match it to the base cabinets. Just has a little bit better of a flow than breaking it up to match your wall cabinets. Depending on how in-depth we get with the project, whether we move plumbing, keep plumbing existing, keep your appliances where they are now, there's a lot of different things that we can account for right here in the program. So this is something that I always like to take into account during our very first in-home measurement. This is something that we'll discuss while we discuss the rest of your design. No matter what it is, whatever you're looking for out of your space, functionality, different accessories, finishes, whatever it is, we can accommodate. One of the perks of our design packages here at IVO is that we do a lot for certain amounts of time to sit down here together in my office to go over any changes you would like to see. By no means are you stuck with the very first option. There's always room for change and progress in a design. No matter your style, your taste, and your color palette, we have something for everyone here at IVO. I, a kitchen and bath designer, am here to help put all of your wants, needs, wishes, all of your inspiration together to give you your dream space. Good morning and welcome to this week's episode of Coffee and Cabinets. I am your host, kitchen and bath designer, Jordan Thomes. Wait, what else was I gonna say? Good morning and welcome to this week's episode of Coffee and Cabinets. I am your host, kitchen and bath designer, Jordan Thomes. This morning I am drinking Utica Coffee's flavored blend, Apple Pie. I've got lots of different catalogs for things to pick. It's embarrassing, it's empty.